Top 6 most beautiful places in Ninh Binh, Vietnam. 𝗕𝗶𝘃𝗵 and Scenic Landscape Complex. A UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning limestone karsts and peaceful boat tours through caves and rivers.
Top 2. 𝗕𝗶𝘃𝗵.
Tam Cốc Bích Hong, often called Halong Bay on land, famous for its picturesque river, rice fields and cave system.
Top 3. Mua Cave. Mua Cave offers breathtaking panoramic views after climbing nearly 500 steps to the top. Top 4. 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝘁 Ancient Capital. 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝘁 Ancient Capital was Vietnam's capital under the Hin and 𝗕𝗶𝘀𝘃 dynasties, marking a key step toward independence. Surrounded by limestone mountains, it served as a stronghold. Visitors can explore temples honoring Hin Tian Home and 𝗕𝗏𝘗, alongside ancient relics. Top 5. 𝗏𝗏𝘃𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝘃𝗏 Pagoda, one of the largest pagoda complexes in Southeast Asia, known for its grand architecture and spiritual atmosphere.
Top 6 𝗕𝗂𝘶 National Park.
𝗕𝗂𝘶 National Park, located about 120 kilometers southwest of Hanoi, the park spans across Ninh Binh, Hoa Binh, and then Hoa provinces, offering a remarkable blend of biodiversity, cultural heritage, and stunning natural landscapes. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the 𝗕𝗶𝘀𝗃 Travel channel so we can share more exciting journeys with you. Thank you and see you again.